Hi, this is the very first episode here, naming cells and ranges so that make your formula more intuitive. So let's consider that this simple example here. Amount invested, $20,000, rate of return 5%. You are calculating what is going to be the year-end balance for next 10 years. And you also like to know what is the average year-end balance during that 10 years. Okay, so you can autofill like this. Okay, and are done from year 1 to year 10. This is done, and now let's fill the year-end balance for each year. Okay, so the first one, according to the formula given below, your first year-end balance is going to be initial amount of money invested 1 plus rate of return power by the year number. Okay, of course you can do autofill this time, but this time it won't work because if you take a look at this one, if you click your formula bar, it's going to show all the cells you have used during the calculation. As you can see, the initial amount of money and initial rate of return, the position of them has shifted as you drag the cell. So the first one, it may be using right referencing, okay? But for this one, it is not. So there's a way you can fix the problem. Of course, we know we can put a dollar sign here in front of a column code, in front of the row number, or after selection, you can press F4 to fix this problem. Of course, we don't want to put dollar sign in front of A5 because it has to be shifting each time. Okay, so let's drag it again. This time problem will fix. This looks fine, except I don't think this is a very intuitive formula. Okay, what do you mean by intuitive formula? Intuitive formula is a formula that looks nearly like our natural speaking formula, like the one written here. So there's a way you can fix it easily. Let's select this range first. We can fix this problem easily by naming B1 and B2, and I'm actually showing how to do it right now. After make the selection here, let's go to Formula tab, and go to this section, Create from Selection. If you click it, it's going to ask you create names from selection. I say I'll be creating names from left column. So whatever is in left column is going to be the name for the right column. Boom. Click OK. Okay, and you can modify your formula one more time again here. Instead of putting $B $1, you can just say amount invested. Okay, and instead of saying B2, you can say rate of return. Okay, in this way, the whole thing is fixed. You can drag it again. Everything here looks more intuitive and is more accurate. And you can also name a range too. Okay, you can also name a range too. For example, I'd like to calculate an average year-end balance here. You can use average formula. Um, ordinary people will try to use B5 to B14. Again, this is not very intuitive way of doing it. Okay, what you can do here is you can just select entire value you'd like to name it, and go here. You can put total year and balance. Enter. Make sure this range has been named. If you go here, check again, you see 3 names here. One for this cell, one for this cell, one for this particular range here. Okay, so let's do it again. Instead of putting B5 to B14, I would say total year-end balance. So in this way, everything looks just more intuitive. Problem fixed. Thank you.